If you're considering right sizing in Phoenix, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the exact order of operation so you don't feel overwhelmed, financially exposed. Let's dive into it. First, let's clarify what right sizing really means. It's often confused with downsizing, but they're not the same. Right sizing is about aligning your home with your life. It's not just about moving to a smaller space, it's about finding a home that fits your current lifestyle. Downsizing, on the other hand, typically implies going smaller without considering the overall fit for your needs. Consider the lifestyle shift that might trigger the need for right sizing. Empty nest. Children moving out can lead to much more space. Maintenance burden. Managing a large home can become overwhelming. Layout inefficiency. Stairs and unused rooms can hinder daily living. It's crucial to distinguish between emotional and strategic decisions. Emotions can cloud judgment, especially when it comes to family homes. We'll explore how to keep these feelings in check as you move forward. Now, let's tackle common dilemmas. Should you sell first or buy first? Financing options, explore various financing methods. If you sell first, you might have cash in hand to make a more competitive offer for your next home. Bridge strategies. These can help you buy your new home before selling your current one, but they can come with risks. Equity positioning in today's market is vital. Understanding how much equity you have can significantly impact your next steps. Risk management. We'll discuss how to create contingency plans to protect yourself during the transition. Timing the Phoenix market is another critical factor. Here's what to consider. What does a balanced market mean for sellers? It often indicates a stable environment where neither the buyer nor the sellers hold the power. Understanding this can help you make an informed decisions. Let's look at some common mistakes people make when right sizing. Underestimating closing costs. Many forget about the hidden costs of selling and buying, which can add up quickly. Choosing layout over location. Prioritizing the wrong features can lead to dissatisfaction. Remember, location is key. Moving too quickly without a plan. Impulsive decisions can lead to regret. Take your time and strategize. Here's a step by step action plan to make your right sizing journey. Pre listing prep. Get your home ready for sale. This may involve repairs and staging. Financial clarity. Understand your budget and how much equity you have. Strategic property search. Focus on homes that meet your new lifestyle requirements. Smooth transition timeline. Plan your move efficiently to reduce stress. As we wrap up, remember that starting with a 10-minute game plan can make a world of difference. Clarity reduces stress and protects your equity. Don't forget to download my free right sizing guide using the link in the description. It walks you through every step we just covered. If you want personal guidance, book that 10-minute game plan call today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with anyone considering right sizing in the Phoenix market.